Dear viewers, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the date sheet for BG 4th semester. So let's get started. University of Kashmir date sheet for regular fresh private candidates of BG 4th semester batch 2021 and backlog candidates of BG 4th semester batch 2016 to 20 CBCS choice based credit system session May 2023 for Jammu and Kashmir. Time 2:30 p.m. As per this date sheet, the first paper is on 2nd of May 2023 and the paper is English 2nd. Education is on 8th of May 2023. Sociology is on 10th of May 2023. In the description, I have provided the playlists regarding various subjects covering the most of the syllabus of BG 4th semester. Do visit. So this was all regarding the date sheet for BG 4th semester. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.